I have been collecting a few gems for you. Signs and notices in different parts of the world. In a Bangkok temple, it is forbidden to enter a woman, even a foreigner, if dressed as a man. In a Copenhagen airline ticket office, we take your bags and send them in all directions. On the door of a Moscow hotel room, if this is your first visit to the USSR, you are welcome to it. In a Norwegian cocktail lounge, ladies are requested not to have children in the bar. In the office of a Roman doctor, specialist in women and other diseases. From a Japanese information booklet about using a hotel air conditioner. It cools and heats. If you want just condition of warm in your room, please control yourself. A sign from a Mallorcan shop entrance, English, well-talking, here speaking American. In a Paris hotel elevator, please leave your values at the front desk. A sign posted in Germany's Black Forest. It is strictly forbidden on our Black Forest camping site that people of different sex, for instance, men and women, live together in one tent unless they are married with each other for that purpose. In an advertisement by a Hong Kong dentist, teeth extracted by the latest Methodists. My favorite, an advertisement for a donkey ride in Thailand. Would you like to ride on your own ass? And I've collected these true statements which have been submitted to the police in report forms when the drivers were instructed to give a brief statement on the particulars of their accident in their own words. Thus, E.J. Todd from Isha. Coming home, I drove into the wrong house and collided with a tree I don't have. Mrs. Stewart from Solihull. The other car collided with mine without giving warning of its intentions. W.W. Rushbourne from Epping Forest. My car was legally parked as it backed into the other vehicle. D. Rumbold from Watford. I told the police that I was not injured, but on removing my helmet I found that I had a fractured skull. And Miss Emily Leash from Streatham Hill. The pedestrian had no idea which direction to go, so I ran over him. Mr. R. Duckworth from Lichfield. A girl in a short skirt was making me look in her direction. And lastly, the most innocent of all the explanations, and I think nearly everyone in our country should offer this explanation whenever involved in an accident. It wasn't my fault. I should never have been issued a license.